So this project was a 88,000 square foot renovation and expansion to do 6 new state-of-the-art operating rooms, equipped with the latest technology, 12 additional new post-anesthesia care units, so those are PACU bays, in addition to comprehensive renovation of the pre- and post-op port spaces and a brand new 3,000 square foot mechanical penthouse to support all the new systems for this hospital. One of the biggest challenges for this project was constructing a vertical expansion on the existing building. In addition to being in the middle of this hospital without impacting services, we were able to do this with zero impact to emergency services and daily hospital operations. One of the things that set us apart is our unity. We aligned on scope, our priorities, expectations. That's what makes the job flow. And we work very much so as a team. So I would say that's one of the biggest things that set us apart, is that we are one system, we have one plan, we have one standard.